Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today is the time for cleaning finally my car. And I was trying to film this video for so long and I never even started it. Today we've got a little bit of sun right here. The only thing that bothers me is right there, and we are going to fix it right now, and then we will wash the car. It's just no holding. Can you hold, please? Even this I need to change. How should we clean it then? So here is the situation right here. Some stuff for the car. Let's keep it right here. This is garbage. My bag, which has to be at home, not in here. My favorite jacket, which got broken and I need to throw it, and I feel so bad about it. Did you just see that? Car is so dirty that it made me dirty as well. So yeah, let's go. I don't do that. Hey, I don't do that dance. I only do my own. So current situation, waiting for my car to go in, and the guy was looking at me and it's so embarrassing. I think it's my turn right now. Well, an update, we lost lights. And I'm sitting currently in the car and waiting my car to be cleaned inside as well. So it's clean. I bought the wet wipes so I can fix some stuff in here. Here is some necklace, lighter, sanitizer, the car that is not working, the remote. So I'll put this all back home today and the rest will stay right here. And the last thing that is so important, as the car must smell just amazing, strawberry paradise. Oh, the smell though. So I'm putting it right here. I'm so happy right now because my car is kind of not a mess. So we set this thingy, so I'm so happy about it. So we set this. I just changed the engine oil and we'll change the wipers right now, and yeah, I will hit the road. I didn't eat yet. I will eat something and let's see. I think we will end the vlog in here. Burning bridges.